Hi, my name is Christian Mayer. I'm a product marketing manager for industrial sensing. Today, we're going to discuss the software upgradability for the ZMOD platform. The ZMOD4410 was designed with a flexible architecture that can change temperature, time and filters for varying applications. This means that one sensor hardware can be deployed to different rooms in a building and target unique sources of air quality. With the recent release of the ZMOD4410, a software release was posted on the web and is downloadable that provides TVOC, estimated carbon dioxide and indoor air quality levels for VOCs as defined by the German Federation of Environment UBA. Another software version targeting odors is available, and additionally quarterly releases are planned that solve various aspects of indoor air quality. By having the ability to vary the method of operation for each sensor, our customers having the ability to download software to their microcontroller, consumers will have sensors that target specific air quality changes.